Hi to everyone, and for viewers that are seeing us for the first time, I want to say that we are a couple that left a different life behind in a large and famous city to build a debt free house in a rural place. To do so, we had to do it with our own efforts by doing a lot of research because we don't have the skills. We have never done anything more than a few projects around our previous home. So far, we have done a great job. The house is standing. My nightmare was that the house would collapse. The biggest challenge was the roughing electrical. Well, I say the bigger challenge, everything was a challenge along the way, but I felt like the electrical was the hardest because we don't want to have any incidents regarding electricity. And mostly is done except for the two items we have not yet wired because we are still in a research phase for those items, which are the well pump wiring and the mini split heat pump for our air conditioning. Now we just brought in the house our bathtub. For now, this is gonna be the only bathtub. The other bathroom is gonna have a shower, and we choose the largest bathtub I could find in a store. Most of them are tiny, and that was the main goal, to have a deep bathtub. Whew, the tub is in place. I can see an improvement.
Okay. My only worry was where the pipe will go down, and because of the column going up. And actually, I have another maybe inch.
Let's not forget, maybe we need the sides
maybe,
too.
Maybe another inch. What aside?
The wall.
Yeah, I don't know. I want to make with tiles. I don't want to go and buy the plastic thing.
Yeah.
So, but that was my problem.
Yeah, it's space.
Yeah. And here I will just put uh, the rubber thing, then the backing board, then tiles. So you will not have water, you will not have anything, and you will not lose too much space, because if I use first the OSB or drywall, that will move everything there, and I will have a problem with the piping. And then the shower too. The shower is gonna be here, so it's just on limit. I'm gonna have to figure out a different type of shower, and here too for the water.
No, single
So yeah,
leveler.
yeah, but you don't know it. Usually they are inside. They're like this big. They're not like a small
I
piece, because
understand.
you have two pipes, hot and cold, going in. And
Mm-hmm.
actually, the mechanism is like this big, if I remember well.
Yeah.
Last time when I did it. I don't like this, but it's not gonna go. You will not see this. Just yet. I'm happy. That looks like.
You feel it.
And it's deep enough, because actually we went at a couple of stores to watch and find a tub, but all of them, they are like this deep. It's like for kids. If you have a kid, yeah, it works. For an adult, no.
Yeah, we wanted a deep tub.
So finally we find one that actually is deep, and you can actually sit in a bathtub. You can put some Epsom salt and some bubbly stuff, and you can actually enjoy it and drink a champagne when you done
Honey,
with
stop
everything.
it. We don't give all the details.
It's not nothing wrong. It's just for me to relax. I'm gonna do the first bath.
Okay, you will. No problem. Or
I
we'll
can't
do it,
wait
we'll
for
do it
that.
together.
No,
No?
only me.
All right, no problem.
Selfish.
I'll take the shower upstairs.
No, you're gonna be here. Probably you're gonna do it. I'm not gonna be. I'm saying, but I never do it first. I always let everybody else to do it. That's it. I'm first.
You're first.
I'm first. Oh,
Let's imagine that you have water. Let's make a splash.
No, I don't care about splash. I care about only. Actually, it's my size. The advantage of not to be huge. You can use a regular bathtub. Actually, it will be interesting. I like it actually. It was 70% more than a regular one.
Yeah.
The price, but actually, it's nice. I like it.
Get out, I need to take my turn.
No, I'm gonna be here 2 hours.
Your hands are wrinkled.
Oh yes, look at that.
While we're doing more research, we are moving on.
So I start installing the isolation. It's slowly moving and looks good actually. I like it. Looks like a house now, more than before, way more.
It's satisfying.
Oh yeah, but it's gonna take some time, especially because of the windows. There are some small parts. It's gonna take longer, probably. I will need a week to finish all that without the roof. The roof is gonna be a different story. That you can,
The particles are in the air. I have to go out.
yeah,
Yeah, you have to put
leave.
your mask on.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye, honey.
Bye bye.
Someone was looking for us. Is always trying to get our attention, and I was happy to see him, yet my hands were full. Hi, Figaro. How you doing? Good job. How are you? He would always be curious to see what I have in my hands, and now because my fingers are on the camera, he thinks there's something you can eat, and then he's trying to eat my fingers. And of course, I don't mind. I actually love it. Wow. Yes. Good job. He had to shed off his antlers in February, and they're going to go bigger now. You want my fingers? You want my fingers? That's it. You want my fingers? Bye, Figaro. We are never pushy. We let him do what he likes, and after a little play, he's ready to go. Precious moment. Me and my Figaro. I was going to the neighbors to wash my hair, and then Figaro is out. Amazing. It's a raining day. Has been raining all day. Bye, Figaro. We are at 3,000 feet above the sea level, and we are surrounded by a lot of nature. Many times we didn't even have time to look around us, and today was one of these days where I mentioned to my husband that I like to look around, and he's like, let's go. We are not prepared, we are not ready, yet it was a nice experience. Oh yeah. We both love the nature, and I am fascinated for every single little thing. Bugs and plants, they are my friends. Right now, I'm feeling like I'm in a different world. There are plants I haven't seen before, like I have been through a Stargate. I would love that.
Shall I?
Unfortunately, we have found some bear poop and some leftover bones, and we felt like it was inappropriate for us to be there, and we just cut our trip short. Yet, it was a nice one. I like the ham radio on you. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Mushrooms, but these are no good. And there are mushrooms here too. They look yummy, but yet they're no good. We know that it's not easy for everyone to do what we're doing, and we are fortunate to have the will to make it work. The information to build your own home are available over the internet and in the books. But don't forget, everybody has different ideas and different needs. You have to adjust what you think it's good for you to make it work, because it's not always that you find the right information that will be good for you. If you have comments, please do it in the comments section. Yet, don't forget, we are not a how-to channel. We are sharing our story with everyone. If you think you like our story, please subscribe. It is more to come anyway, and it's free.